You filming?
Yeah, now I am.
Okay, everybody. Today we are making a combination pot that is going to be a salad basket. Yes, a salad basket. That means everything in this pot will be to create you a salad, garden salad. You can even do this on your patio, in a small area. You don't need a big space for this. All you need is a big pot and some garden soil. And my center plant, I'm going to start with a cherry tomato. Because what salad isn't good in the summertime without a fresh cherry tomato? I'm gonna put him in the center. Make sure he's in there secure. Okay, here is my salad container garden. This is our cherry tomato. That's our spinach that's coming up. Here's our leaf lettuce. This is supposed to be our kale, but that doesn't look like kale to me. So I'm going to just see what it is and let it grow. Because it may be a weed that's actually in other vegetables. So I'm going to let them grow a little bit and see what they are. Sometimes you have surprises. That may be a tomato or a pepper, I'm not sure. That might be kale. Or it might be leaf lettuce. I'm not sure. We're going to let them grow and see what they come up with.